Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this Mason jar vacuum sealer. It's actually a 3-in-1 vacuum sealer, and I do a lot of canning and dehydrating, so I'm really excited that I got this. In the bag, you get quart size and gallon size bags that have the little vacuum seal hole here. And we got some nice little padding in here. And then they actually send you with some lids, which in the canning world, these things are like gold. So that is awesome that you get some extra lids in here. And it works for both wide mouth and regular mouth lids. And then you get the charging cord in here too. And it also works for wine. So if you wanted to suck out the air of the wine to help keep that fresh longer, you also get the little wine accessory. You've got the cord to go in for the bags. And then you have the actual machine itself. So I'll bring you in here so we can put some raspberries in this jar. And we will suck the air out and we will seal on the lid. We will put our raspberries in here and then we will seal our jar up. And that's just gonna help keep this fresher for longer. So I've just got my regular mouth lid. We're gonna put that on here. And this is so great because it's so versatile and so quick. You don't have to really do anything to change it out. You've got your setting for your mason jar, your vacuum seal, or your accessory for doing the wine. And then you've got your regular mouth lid and your wide mouth lid for your seals. Just make sure you push that all the way down when you get down into your lid. So we're gonna make sure it gets all the way down on there. And you can see on the digital screen here, we're gonna hit mason jar. And then it's just going to count down and seal that lid. All right, now that was quick. And then it just kind of popped off when it was done. So now we just take this off. And we will check our seal, and that is on there. So that was really nice. Did a great job sealing that on there, and now my raspberries are all sealed up. Now let's try out a bag. So you get 4 of each kind of bag. So you get 4 of your quart size bag, and then 4 of your gallon size bags. And also it has little sealer clips. So that way you can help seal across the top with just these 2 little clips. All right, so we've got our carrots in here, and I'm just going to use the little sealer and put that on and then just slide that across to get it sealed. And then that just comes right off the other side. And now your bag is sealed, but we want to vacuum seal it. So let's get this put on. So to use the bag, we just put on our air accessory tools. So we hold it down on here and then we're going to hit accessory. You can see that air getting sucked out of there. So now you've got that all vacuum sealed in there without any air, and that will help keep that fresh.